Well, good morning, everybody. We're looking at 70 degrees as you head out the door, so it's warm and muggy. It feels like springtime out there, but don't get used to it because it's all going to change as soon as tomorrow. We've got, of course, those strong gusty winds. Yesterday, we peaked at 37 miles an hour. It was howling out there, and we did get up to 85 once the sun sort of poked through there in the afternoon, but that is going to change dramatically when tomorrow we're looking for a high of 63. And then it gets even colder. So yes, a big change in our weather. And the change is all in which way the wind blows. Right now, it's all Gulf air coming in, lots of humidity. It's going to be warm, cloudy, and windy today. Tomorrow is where everything changes. The front is already in North Texas. You can see it right here, very well delineated. In the 70s for us, 60s up north. But wow, just past San Angelo, it drops off the table into the 40s, 30s, and 20s. So that's where the cold air is now. And it should be getting into our area by tomorrow morning. So today you'll be fine. It's tomorrow morning. Don't leave home without your jacket because you're going to need it at some point in time. So on the warm side right about now, let's do our water vapor to show you the moisture that's headed in our direction. Now, when we get the southeast wind off the Gulf, yes, we start feeling the humidity and it gets very humid. We start perspiring, all that stuff. But that is the lower level of the atmosphere. It's the upper level of the atmosphere. We also have to get completely moist in order to get some rain out of it. And because of an area of low pressure right here, you can see all that moisture riding up on top of Texas. So what does that mean? Well, when the front comes through, those two are going to interact and give us a pretty solid couple of days of rain. Now, the last one was very disappointing, I will admit. I kept hoping for a half an inch to an inch, and we got 3 drops. Hopefully we'll get a little bit more than that. So there's the forecast highs today. You can see how it's much colder to the north, in even a few 80s down south for us. But as the front comes through, everything's going to be changing. Now, again, we have to add this factor, this area of low pressure that's going to be spinning. That's the lifting mechanism that creates all the rain. So you can have just cloud cover and a stable atmosphere and get nothing out of it. But this one's going to get a little bit more unstable. There's the front coming through tonight. There's a low going overhead, and you can see how it sort of expands the amount of rain that falls not only for us, but over North Texas as well. It's maybe another situation where we're just not invited to the party, but I'm thinking that we will have at least a couple of days of rain opportunity here, and so working outdoors is going to be greatly impacted by the weather this week. So like I told you, you should have got it done yesterday. So today, still on the warm, windy side. Front tonight, tomorrow dropping down to 63 as a high, and then windy and cold with showers on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, finally moving out of the area. A little bit milder as we get to the weekend, but look at these high temperatures. 55 on Thursday and Friday. So yeah, not exactly springtime anymore. That's your 7-day forecast. We'll toss it back to Mike.